It's disheartening to hear that many threads, including Reddit users, are filled with reports of battery drain problems after the iOS 18 update. If you, like many others, face this issue, I understand how it can disrupt your daily routine. Hello friends, I am Carly. In this video, I will show 10 different solutions to get relief. So, let's watch the video till the end. It's important to note that iOS 18 beta is a development version, not a public release. That means you might encounter significant battery drain and user interface problems. However, staying hopeful is crucial, as these issues are often temporary. Waiting for the public version might be your best bet. Between these problems, a new feature has been added to iOS 18. It's a time and a small text available at the top left corner of your iPhone, no matter if it is running out of battery. So, that's good. If you have downloaded the iOS 18 on your iPhone and are facing the same problem, follow these basic solutions to fix it. Many users ask how to exit a beta program or want to use the previous iOS version. Then, you can downgrade your iPhone from iOS 18 to iOS 17. Tap the top iCard to watch the full video on downgrading iOS 18 to 17. Some users have reported that what about a SIM? Don't worry about a SIM, you won't lose your SIM by downgrading your iPhone. The first handy solution is to decrease the screen brightness of your iPhone from the control center. Don't always keep it too high, increase brightness when you're outside the area. The second convenient solution is to turn on low power mode. This setting reduces background app refresh, mail fetch, automatic downloads, and more. Here's how to turn on low power mode on your iPhone. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Battery. Then, turn on the toggle beside low power mode. The message prompts on your screen, tap on the Continue option. That's it. The third appropriate solution is to turn off Wi-Fi Assist. Wi-Fi Assist can cause a battery drain problem. It uses cellular data when the Wi-Fi signal is slow and weak. During this process, your iPhone automatically switches to cellular data to provide stable internet. However, the Wi-Fi assistant continuously checks for Wi-Fi signal strength and cellular network, which may affect your iPhone battery life. I recommend turning off the Wi-Fi Assist setting on your iPhone. Let's see how to do so. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, tap on the Mobile Service or Cellular option. Now swipe up to the bottom and find Wi-Fi Assist. Turn off the toggle beside Wi-Fi Assist. That's it. The fourth advantageous solution is to use dark mode on your iPhone. Dark mode helps reduce battery drain. If you primarily use your iPhone with high brightness, you should use dark mode. If your iPhone's brightness level is 100% and you switch to dark mode, it helps you save 39 to 47% of the battery. To turn on dark mode, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe up to the Display and Brightness section. Then select the dark option. That's it. The fifth helpful solution is to turn off Always on Display. This setting keeps your iPhone on so you can easily see time and notifications without unlocking it. Follow the same steps to open the display and brightness settings and turn off the toggle beside Always On. The sixth convenient solution is to check battery usage through apps. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the Battery section. Check the battery level for the last 24 hours and 10 days. Also, swipe up and check the battery used by each app. Tap on Show Activity to see battery usage. Then, force quit or uninstall the power-consuming apps. Some users have reported battery drain problems after updating to the latest iOS version. To solve this, try the seventh suitable solution. Turn off background app refresh. You should turn off background app refresh for a particular app. This stops the app from refreshing data in the background and saves your iPhone battery. Let's see the steps. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the General section. Then swipe up and tap on Background App Refresh. Turn off the background app refresh completely or manually disable specific apps by toggling off the switch next to each app. That's it. The eighth helpful solution is to change the iPhone wallpaper. If you have set a live or animated wallpaper on your iPhone home screen and lock screen, it may drain your battery. So, set a custom or simple wallpaper on your iPhone. Here's how to do it. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe up and tap on the Wallpaper section. Now, swipe left or right and set the custom wallpaper. Or tap on Add New Wallpaper and tap on Photos. Then select a simple image. Here, you can customize the widgets. Once you're done, tap the Add button in the top right corner. A pop-up may ask you to set it as a wallpaper pair or customize your home screen. Select Set as Wallpaper Pair. That's it. If your iPhone battery is draining due to connectivity issues, follow the ninth favorable solution: reset network settings. This process solves all your network-related issues, such as cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth configurations. Also, it's important to note that your iPhone will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords and paired Bluetooth devices. Let's see the steps. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, tap on the General section. Swipe up to the bottom and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone section. Two options are available here: reset and erase all content and settings. Select Reset. Then tap Reset Network Settings and enter your screen time passcode to confirm. Then tap on Reset Network Setting to confirm. Wait until your iPhone restarts. That's it. If you're experiencing battery drain issues, follow the 10th serviceable solution: contact Apple Support. Visit the Apple Support website. The video description shows the link. Here, you can view the repair options, read articles, and contact or chat with the Apple Support team for personal assistance. Also, you can use the Get Estimate tool to review the potential costs of Apple service providers. Swipe up and head to the Get Estimate section. Then select the service type as a battery. Then select your product or accessory and model number. At last, tap on Get an Estimate to view the service fee. That's it. So, these are the solutions to minimize the battery drain issue on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.